According to a report by the International Federation of Robotics, over 180,000 industrial robots were sold worldwide in 2020, with 73% of those being humanoid or human-like robots designed for service and assembly tasks. This staggering number marks a significant shift in the robotics industry, with humanoid robots emerging as a dominant force. Breaking down the numbers further, we see that the global humanoid robot market was valued at approximately $1.5 billion in 2020, with an expected compound annual growth rate of 25.1% from 2020 to 2027. The primary drivers of this growth are advancements in artificial intelligence, computer vision, and machine learning, which have enabled humanoid robots to perform complex tasks with increased precision and efficiency. In terms of regional distribution, Asia accounted for 53% of global humanoid robot sales in 2020, followed by Europe with 26% and North America with 16%. The high adoption rate in Asia can be attributed to the presence of major robot manufacturers such as Japan and South Korea, as well as the increasing demand for automation in the region's manufacturing sector. Expert insights from Dr. Henrik Christensen, a renowned robotics researcher, suggest that humanoid robots will play a crucial role in addressing labor shortages and improving productivity in various industries. As the global population ages and labor costs rise, humanoid robots will become an essential tool for companies looking to maintain competitiveness and efficiency, Dr. Christensen notes. A closer examination of the data reveals that the average cost of a humanoid robot has decreased by 21% over the past 5 years, making them more accessible to small and medium-sized enterprises. Additionally, the average lifespan of a humanoid robot has increased by 35% over the same period, resulting in lower maintenance and replacement costs for companies. The top 3 applications of humanoid robots in 2020 were assembly and manufacturing, healthcare and social services, and education and research, accounting for 42%, 27%, and 21% of total sales, respectively. These numbers indicate a growing trend towards the use of humanoid robots in service-oriented industries, where they can interact with humans and provide personalized support. In conclusion, the rise of humanoid robots is a significant trend that is transforming industries worldwide. With the global humanoid robot market expected to reach $6.5 billion by 2027, it is essential for companies to stay informed about the latest developments and advancements in this field. For the latest data and insights on the electric vehicle and robotics industries, subscribe to Ftrix for real EV data every week.